Style is in the details, and there are small choices you can make to elevate your everyday style and make a huge impact on your overall look. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 basic outfits, and I will bring you through the whole transformational process and explain all the style hacks I'm using here to elevate my everyday style, using only basic pieces that you might already have in your wardrobe. So let's dive into it.
'Cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike.
Outfit number 1. Very popular and easy combination, jeans plus striped top, and I would often see a denim jacket as a second layer here. So what I don't like, what's the problem about this outfit? Well, let's see. Lack of balance of proportions and a sharp horizontal line which cuts my body right in the middle. Now, let me clarify, I'm not criticizing here, I'm just telling you that we all want to wear whatever makes us feel confident and pretty, so it doesn't matter. But if you ask me what can be improved here, my answer is the following. Step number 1. The jeans are sitting too low on my hips, which shortens my already short legs. So what I want to do here is to pull up my jeans, and to do that we are using old stylist's trick, a shoelace as a back belt. So you take a lace or any other ribbon and thread it through the loops at the back of the jeans. Don't worry, we'll cover up that unflattering lower back area with our top. Speaking of that, I can do an elegant French tuck which accentuates my waistline and makes my outfit look like put together. Now I appear taller and even slimmer, just feel the difference. I'm swapping out basic sneakers for trendy modern Western boots, and don't forget to accessorize your outfit. And now step number 2. I'm replacing this boring denim jacket with a classic trench coat. A trench coat adds sophistication and elegance to the look. I would say that the denim jacket looks too predictable and too boring here. And here's the last trick for you here. Roll up the sleeves of your trench coat or jacket to reveal the contrasting sleeves of the underlayer. This trick makes me look edgy and playful, yet chic and sophisticated. And here's the result. Pay attention, we've used almost all basic pieces, so it's not about clothes, it's all about styling. No magic, just styling techniques. Outfit number 2. So let's call it the power of styling using the color. So here's the original outfit, and once again I think that it's boring and uninspiring, lack of proportions, dull colors. Let's see how we can fix that. Step number 1. I simply swap out the sweater for a blue one. It has the same cut and the same fit, but a more flattering color. I tuck in the sweater to create this diagonal line to define the waistline just slightly, giving the look an airy touch. I don't look so wide anymore. I take a scarf to create an extra vertical line to elongate the silhouette. Accessories, because the devil is in the details, and the modern design bag in a white hue, because I feel like I want to give this look a high contrast effect to make it stand out just a bit. The difference between these two looks is massive, even though it's essentially just a change in the jumper's color and some attention to detail. So do you like it? Leave your comments down below. And now outfit 3. Let's try to work on some formal styles here. I can see 2 pieces of clothes totally unstyled here, just random wearing of random clothes from your wardrobe. Step number 1. I'm adding an underlayer, a black tank top, so you can tuck the shirt into the pants and leave it fully unbuttoned. This gives us a deep V-neck illusion, which elongates the silhouette and makes me look more sharp, tailored and put together. And a final touch, a statement red bag to spice up the look. Thus, we've transitioned from a shapeless, wide H silhouette to a more defined X silhouette with nice, cute detailing. Outfit 4. Gray wide-leg pants plus basic white t-shirt. A good foundation, but if we leave it like that, it will be too simple. Like, I don't feel like the eye wants to look at it and to catch the details because there's nothing to catch there. So my goal here is to balance out the wide leg pants with more fitted top. The golden rule of styling: find a fine balance between loose, oversized and tight fitting in your outfit. And this balance depends on your body shape, but this video is not about that. So I swap out the loose fit, stiff fabric t-shirt for the same basic piece, but with a tight fit. So we achieve a nice balance between two parts of my body: wide, heavy volume at the bottom and tight fit up at the top. Accessories are a fundamental topic for minimalist looks. And I'm adding a second layer. A wool blazer creates that power suit effect. I already like the look, but I decided to take it even further, adding a belt to create that flattering X silhouette. That's not important, but for my body type, sometimes this is something that I'm leaning towards. And the final outfit, number 5. No discussions about silhouettes and proportions and balance, just a pure creativity here. The power of styling basic pieces using your imagination. So I bet you have this kind of a basic knit dress, midi or maxi dress, because I think that this is a great foundation for your wardrobe for fall-winter season. Mine is from Massimo Dutti, but I bought it last winter, so I think that's already sold out. But I have found almost the same dress and I have linked it down below. By the way, I have linked all the items I'm using here in this video down in the description box, so you're so welcome to enjoy my description box. So, returning to the topic. Try wearing a tank top as the base layer. For example, I can't wear this dress as often as I want to just because the V neckline is too revealing and I don't feel sometimes like that. But by layering different tank tops underneath your dress, you can create a totally different outfits. So this is what I call reinvent your closet. Use your creativity, the power of styling in action. And almost forgot, I took this outfit from my previous video, 7 creative outfit formulas for nothing to wear situation. It's another helpful video where you can find all the creative style hacks you can use to maximize the capability of your wardrobe. And I will link all the video links down in the description. Well, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe, share this video with somebody who needs a bit of style inspiration from you. And thank you so much for spending this time with me, and see you in the next one.
'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I've been spending way too